Have you ever used Codecademy, that website that teach? So like, they have their like Python 1, and they take you all the way to like learning how to use functions and what's the last thing they teach you? Like, is it? I forget.
I think it's classes.
Classes.
Is
They
the last
go
thing
all the way to
into.
classes and learning everything before that. So do you need to go much more beyond that, or do you have to go a bit deeper?
You don't need to go much further beyond that. When people ask the question, do I need to learn programming or coding to be a hacker? I always say no, but with an asterisk, like with a disclaimer and a footnote that like you should learn some programming and coding and scripting, but you don't need to learn absolutely everything. You don't need to master every single language. You don't need to build the next great app or anything fancy. I am not by any means like a software engineer or architect. I can't do that. I can't make a giant, hey, supports millions of users, program an application. But I can script. Like I can write a loop that might brute force passwords, right? Or might try all the different potential characters that might, hey, cause some sort of blind SQL vulnerability or inject to happen. And you don't need to know a whole lot of hardcore complex programming concepts for that. You just need to know the basic concepts. What's a variable? What's a function? How can I figure this conditional loop into something else? Those are the things that take a lot of practice, but I don't think there's any better way to do it than trying to do it, trying to hack, trying to work on some projects, trying to, fire off some exploits.